on the play.
Flags. They're so late. He was 5 yards. All right. That's how they call it special teams. Special teams, special players. Come on, Win.
Ethan Dukes takes it all the way to the house for a touch. Huge gain right there. And that right there was it. Simeon Moore.
He walks in almost.
32-14.
What a play. Huge pass.
If I'm not mistaken, was that 88 yards? That was an 88-yard touchdown pass. Simeon Moore to Tyler Martin.
It might be somber in Bassett, but man, they're excited here in Magna Vista.
Tajir Harrison, touchdown Magna Vista.
What a run.
That is a touchdown.
Touchdown Dukes. Finally, Dukes gets some room and breaks away.
Down. At Magna Vista.
What a play.
As they make their way into the hole here for
And
could this be?
Win, and as you also see, it's cold, but it's not too cold for the Magna Vista fans to come out tonight.
The Magna Vista fans are packed the house here tonight, and they are ready for some high school football, Friday night football here on your neighborhood network. Folks, we are just fine.
What a catch!
What a catch, indeed!
Christiansburg had one timeout.
And folks, we are in the stands. We are going to let you in. Another look at that. Folks, what a play by Magna Vista.
So Magna Vista will get the ball and start the second half.